In this video, I'll show you how to copy a Shopify store to another account. First, the most important thing to know is that Shopify does not offer a full one-click option to clone an entire store into another account. So if you want to copy a store, you usually have to move the main parts step by step. Start with your products. Go to the original store, open the products section, and export the product data as a CSV file. Then sign in to the new Shopify account and import that CSV file there. This is one of the easiest ways to move product names, descriptions, pricing, and other important details. Next, do the same for your customers if you need that information in the new store. Export the customer list from the old account and import it into the new one. After importing, review the data carefully to make sure everything came across correctly. Now let's talk about design. If you want the new store to look similar, go to Online Store, then Themes, and download the theme file from the original store if that option is available. After that, upload the theme into the new store. This can carry over a lot of your layout and appearance. But remember, a theme file does not include everything. Apps, app settings, some menus, certain pages, uploaded files, and custom store-specific configurations may still need to be recreated manually in the new account. You'll also need to review the domain, payments, shipping rules, policies, and any connected services, because those are usually separate for each store. So think of this process as rebuilding the store with copied assets, not duplicating every single setting automatically. If your real goal is to hand the store over to another person, transferring store ownership may be easier than creating a second account and rebuilding it there. So the overall process is simple. Export the important data, import it into the new store, move the theme, then manually finish the remaining setup. That's how to copy a Shopify store to another account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.